Good morning, students. I hope you are well. Welcome back to social class. In our last two classes, we learned about why we learn about the past. There, what is history? Then, why do we learn history? Their subheading first we saw. Correct? What is history? History is the study of, do you know? History is the study of the events of the past and why they happened. Right? Then write 3 sentences about what we learn in history. That answer did you study? Did you copy it? Right. That answer is, in the history we learn about the events that happened in the past to people and to places. We learn why these events of the past took place and when they took place. We also learn about famous people and the lives of ordinary people who lived in the past. Everything we learned, right? Okay. There, our heading today's topic is we understand how people lived. Last day we learned learning about the past is interesting. That is sending message before the days. Send any messages, write on letter through post office to send, right? Nowadays email, internet, Twitter, more facilities. As soon as we send the message, okay, right? Then you saw Mahatma Gandhi written letter also, handwritten letter by Mahatma Gandhi also, okay. Then today's topic is we understand how people lived. We understand how people lived, okay. Did you know a long time ago the people of Greece had many different gods and goddesses, okay, many different gods and goddesses. One was Clio, the goddess for history. This tells us that they thought history was very important, right? We understand how people lived. History helps us to understand the lives of people who lived in the past. For example, when people talk about their family history, they might tell you that they had no refrigerators. Refrigerators means fridge, okay, in the past. Earthen pots were used to keep drinking water cool. Now we also following like that, okay. More houses have earthen pot, right? Before the days, before the years, everyone no refrigerator, okay, no fridge, so that people used earthen pots, okay. Then when we study history, we also learn that in earlier times there were no cars, trains, buses or airplanes. When people traveled overland, they walked or traveled in vehicles drawn by animals like bullocks or horses. Bullock cart. Have you seen bullock cart? Have you seen cars? That a horse drawn carriage, that is called tonga, okay. Tonga. Have you seen tonga? Have you seen bullock cart? Okay, somebody saw, right? Okay, understand, ma'am? That earlier times there were no car, bike. Nowadays everything, right? Car, scooty, bike, bicycle, everything have, okay. That time no car, train, bus, aeroplane, helicopter, nothing. Okay, ma'am. Understand? When people traveled over land, they walked or traveled in vehicles drawn. Drawn means pulled. Okay, by animals like bullocks or carts. Clear? Clear, ma'am? See here, this is Tonga. Okay, then Gandhiji's written letter. Right? Some objects that help us to study history are cave paintings, coins, stamps, old buildings, written records, such as newspapers and journals and so on. Okay, see here, a cave paintings and old building, a stamp, newspapers, coins, journal. Right? Understand? This everything informed to us, this old people's lives. Right? Now we are going to see book back exercise. Turn to page number 83. Page number 83. First I am reading one side. Famous, ordinary, earthen pot, Tonga, letters in the past. Right side, a horse-drawn vehicle, took many days to reach, not special, known by many people, was used to cool drinking water. Okay. Famous. Famous answer is this. Known by many people. Known by many people. Second one. Ordinary. Answer is not special. NOT, not special. Okay. Second one. Earthen pot. Was used to cool drinking water. Okay. Then Tonga. A horse-drawn vehicle. Letters in the past. Last one. Took many days to reach. See here. See, match the following. Roman letter A completed. B completed. Now C. Famous. Known by many people. Ordinary. Not special. Earthen pot. Was used to cool drinking water. Tonga. A horse-drawn vehicle. Letters in the past. Took many days to reach. Okay. Then question answer. First two questions over. Now third question. Name two famous people from history and give one reason why they are famous. Listen. Name two famous people from history and give one reason why they are famous. Okay. Page number 84. Question. Okay. Question is page number 84. This is answer. Okay. Answer. Two famous people in history are Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, a poet. Gandhiji fought for India's freedom and Tagore wrote India's national anthem. Right? Two famous people in history are Mahatma Gandhi, M-A-H-A-T-M-A, Mahatma Gandhi, G-A-N-D-H-I, and Rabindranath, R-A-B-I-N-D-R-A-N-A-T-H, Rabindranath Tagore, T-A-G-O-R-E, Tagore, a poet. Gandhiji fought, F-O-U-G-H-T, fought for India's freedom, F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom, and Tagore, T-A-G-O-R-E, Tagore, R-W-R-O-T, wrote India's national anthem. India's national, N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L, national anthem, A-N-T-H-E-M. These code words you have to study spelling. Okay, first. After that, study the question answer. Okay, then very easy to study. Okay, ANTHEM. And once again I am reading question. Name two famous people from history and give one reason why they are famous. Answer. Two famous people in history are Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, a poet. Gandhiji fought for India's freedom and Tagore wrote India's national anthem. Okay, then one more. See here, Roman letter D. Complete the sentences in your notebook. Complete the sentences in your notebook. First one. We learn history because dash. We learn history because dash. Answer is learning about the past is interesting. Learning about the past is interesting. We learn history because learning, LEARNING, learning about the ABOUT, about the past, PAST, past is interesting, INTERESTING, interesting. Okay, complete the sentences in your notebook. We learn history because learning about the past is interesting. Okay, second one. We also learn history because we understand how people lived. Today's portion. Okay, we understand, UNDERSTAND, understand. We understand how, how people, PEOPLE, people lived, LIVED, lived. Clear? We also learn history because we understand how people lived. Okay, then third one, next day we can see. Okay, all should study well. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Don't waste your time. Okay, we can meet next class. Thank you. Bye.